Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer, convert or swap USDT into GBP on Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to Binance and log in. Now, once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top left and then you want to go over to Markets. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you need to go over to Fiat Markets and then you want to go over to the search bar and search for GBP USDT. You'll then see this pair, and the next thing you need to do is to click on the trade button. Over on this page, you need to go over to the place order section. Now, if you're using the Pro layout, this will be on the right side of your screen, and if you're using the default layout, this will be in the middle of your screen down at the bottom. You'll then need to go over to buy and click on market. Now, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of USDT you would like to swap, trade or convert, or however you want to name it, into GBP. So I'll go ahead and fill in 55 USDT. And once you've filled in the amount of USDT you want to swap into GBP, you can click on buy GBP. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.